Here I have iPhone 13 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Siri feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the Siri and search section, and here you can enable listen for Hey Siri. Then tap enable Siri, then tap continue, then you have to say Hey Siri, then Hey Siri send a message, then Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And that's how it's done. And now you have this feature enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.